here, and then mixing 6, then like A2 over, put A for 1, then B for 2, 3, 4, A, B, 4, 4, then 2, Now, we finish our breadboard with all the components, the IC, resistor, the lights, and the switch, and all the cords connected in the proper positions. Now, it's time to test it if gumagana siya. As we can see in our inputs, we have here A, B, and Cn, and our outputs sum and carry. Now, let's try our inputs. As you can see here, 0, 0, 0. Now, as you can see, our sum and carry is going to off, both of them. Then and we can see here Cn is on, and the sum here in output goes also on, and the carry is off. Then the B here is on, and A and C is off. As you can see here in output, still the sum is on and carry is off. Then here is A is off, B and Cn is on, and the output is the carry is on and the sum is off. Next is A is on and B and Cn is off, and the output is sum on and carry off. You can see the sum is on, then A and Cn is on, and B in output is off. As you can see here, the sum is off and the carry is on. Then A and B in input is on and Cn is off. As you can see, the output here is still the carry is on and the sum is off. Then the input is all of them is on, and output is all of them is on. As you can see here, sum and carry and output is on. And that's all. Thank you.